Your iPhone 16 Pro Max deserves the best. But did you know that an ordinary case could leave your phone vulnerable to cracks, scratches, and drops? Without proper protection, you risk costly repairs or even replacing your phone. But don't worry. We've found the top 5 cases that combine style, durability, and functionality to keep your phone safe. Stay tuned because the last one might surprise you. Looking to grab one of these cases? Check out the links in the description below for the best deals. Protect your phone today. Don't miss out on more tech reviews and product recommendations. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest iPhone accessories. Number 1. Ring Fusion X Case. Starting off strong, the Ring Fusion X Case is a rugged, shockproof option designed for heavy-duty protection. It's compatible with MagSafe, thanks to its built-in N52-grade neodymium magnets, ensuring secure attachment to your accessories. The hybrid design of a clear polycarbonate back and flexible TPU frames makes it durable yet lightweight. Drop protection is a standout feature with air pockets on the 4 corners, and the anti-yellowing technology keeps the case looking fresh over time. Its precise cutouts allow easy access to all ports, while the unique X design adds a stylish flair. Plus, with 3 built-in lanyard holes, you can attach accessories like straps for added convenience. A perfect blend of aesthetics and functionality. Number 2. Frameless Magnetic Case with Stand. Next up is a frameless magnetic case with stand, ideal for those who value a minimalist yet luxurious design. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, this case complements the titanium finish of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, preserving its sleek look and providing efficient heat dissipation. What sets this case apart is its 360 degrees rotatable ring kickstand. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it offers hands-free convenience in both horizontal and vertical positions. The case also boasts military-grade protective performance with 4 corner rubber pads and raised lips around the screen and camera, ensuring optimal safety during drops. Installation is straightforward. Just unscrew the 4 metal screws, secure the phone, and tighten. Its built-in 38 and 52 magnets ensure seamless compatibility with MagSafe accessories, making this case both stylish and functional. It's a premium pick for the modern iPhone user. Number 3. Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit Case. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit Case offers a perfect balance of durability and aesthetics. Made with a premium blend of PC and TPU, it provides excellent protection while showcasing the internal components of your iPhone 16 Pro Max through its innovative transparent design. This case is built for heavy-duty use, featuring military-grade drop protection through Spigen's patented air cushion technology. The raised edges protect the screen and camera from scratches, while the anti-yellowing feature ensures it stays crystal clear over time. Compatible with wireless charging and MagSafe accessories, this case combines convenience with style. Whether you're looking for everyday protection or an eye-catching design, the Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit stands out. Its sleek, slim profile makes it a favorite for iPhone users who want to flaunt their phone's beauty without compromising on safety. Number 4. Urban Armor Gear UAG Plasma XD. For those who want rugged durability, the Urban Armor Gear UAG Plasma XD is a top choice. This military-grade case offers 20-foot drop protection with sculpted corners and a raised bezel to guard your screen and camera. The integrated kickstand provides multi-viewing angles, making it perfect for virtual meetings, content streaming, or video calls. It's compatible with MagSafe charging and magnetic accessories, ensuring seamless use with Apple Pay and wireless chargers. Oversized tactile buttons deliver a crisp and responsive feel, while the anti-slip design keeps your phone secure in your hand. Whether you're an adventurer or need a case that can handle daily wear and tear, the UAG Plasma XD delivers unmatched performance. Number 5. Oats Bass Minimalist Case. Last but not least, the Oats Bass Minimalist Case redefines simplicity with its unique Z-shaped metal bezel design. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, this case is lightweight yet robust, ensuring excellent drop protection with its four-corner vacuum bladder system. Its standout feature is a hidden kickstand, which rotates 360 degrees and flips 120 degrees, providing versatility for hands-free use. The partially exposed back design aids heat dissipation, keeping your iPhone cool. Compatible with magnetic car mounts and MagSafe accessories, this case is as functional as it is stylish. Easy to install and disassemble. It's a great option for users who value both protection and convenience. That wraps up our list of the best cases for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Each case offers unique features tailored to different needs, whether you prioritize durability, style, or functionality. Remember, the links to all these cases are in the description below, so you can shop your favorite today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow iPhone enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and reviews. Comment below which case you're planning to buy. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.